you for your interest in Engineered Products LED Parking Garage Luminaire series. This is an entirely new solid-state LED lighting product specifically designed for parking garages that is also available as an LED retrofit kit. As a new product, or for retrofitting older fluorescent luminaires, the LED Parking Garage Luminaire series can also be used for parking canopies and is available in a 4-foot length only. In addition to its Design Lights Consortium DLC listing, other primary benefits include LED drivers that provide significant energy savings, energy efficiency, uniform lumen distribution, improved efficacy, more usable lumens per watt, and a color rendering of 80 and above. The LED Parking Garage Luminaire series and the Retrofit Kit consume approximately half the energy of a luminaire using 2 T8 fluorescent lamps, optimizes light output, and has a life expectancy of 5 years and 50,000 plus hours. Prescriptive or custom rebates are available from your local electric utility or co-op to reduce the overall installed cost. In addition, this LED luminaire and the Retrofit Kit complies with the majority of the U.S. utility rebate requirements. EPCO's Parking Garage LED luminaire and the Retrofit Kit is ELT listed and suitable for indoor, outdoor, and wet locations. Before beginning installation of the LED Parking Garage Retrofit Kit, locate the circuit breaker at the main panel and turn it off. Begin by releasing the latches on the luminaire housing. Then remove and set aside the clear acrylic ribbed diffuser. Remove the fluorescent lamps and set them aside. Next, access the wiring compartment by simultaneously squeezing the metal clips on each end of the gear tray that secure it to the luminaire housing. Then carefully rotate the gear tray backward to expose the luminaire wiring and ballast. Make sure the gear tray's nylon safety straps are tethered to the retainer clips so the gear tray will hang suspended below the luminaire housing. Locate the incoming black and white power supply lines and separate them from the black and white lines of the luminaire disconnect. Also remove the ground bonding wire from the green grounding lug on the underside of the gear tray. After the incoming supply and luminaire wires have been completely separated, hold the gear tray with one hand, then use the other hand to unlatch the nylon straps from the gear tray retainer clips. Then separate the gear tray from the luminaire housing and set it aside. Remove the Retrofit Kit and all packaging materials from its shipping carton and place it on a work surface. Set aside the new frosted rib diffuser. Note that the Retrofit Kit has an LED driver instead of ballast. The LED driver includes hot and neutral wires for the incoming supply conductors, plus additional wires that can be used when installing a dimming control. The Retrofit Kit's gear tray also includes new nylon safety straps to replace the original straps that may be brittle and suffered from UV damage. Before attaching the gear tray to the luminaire housing, make sure the teed end of the safety straps is attached to the gear tray. Attach the round end of the nylon safety strap to the hook on the retainer clip. The new gear tray will now be able to hang safely from the luminaire housing. Connect the incoming black and white power supply lines to the luminaire disconnect on the driver. Also connect the incoming ground wire to the green wire on the LED driver and ground bonding pigtail on the underside of the gear tray. The Retrofit gear tray can now be attached to the luminaire housing. Position the gear tray flat against the luminaire housing and make sure the wires do not get pinched between the gear tray and the luminaire housing. Push the gear tray down and over the metal retainer clips until they snap into place. Install the new frosted ribbed diffuser over the gear tray and secure with the latches from the luminaire housing. This completes the installation for the LED Parking Garage Luminaire Series Retrofit Kit. For more information, call Engineered Products Company at 800-336-1976. Email us at sales@engproducts.com or visit our website, engproducts.com.